I'm Chica from IDR Solutions.
This demo will walk Java developers through how to convert PDFs to JPEG2000 using Java 17 and above, IntelliJ, and the JPedal Java PDF library. My colleague Zinyu and I will walk you through it.
First, head over to the IDR Solutions website where you can sign up for the JPedal free trial. JPedal is a Java PDF library that makes it easy for Java developers to work with PDF documents in Java. Once that is done, download the JPedal jar file, which is what we'll be using to handle the PDF to image conversion. We have added the link below to speed up this process for you. Now, add the JPedal jar file to your project. To do that, right-click on your project, go to Open Module Settings, click on Libraries, then the plus button, and select Java. Add the JPedal jar manually to the class path. With that set up, paste in the sample code from the JPedal support document that shows how to convert a PDF into your target image format. Don't forget to import packages and update the file path. And that's it. Hit run and you get a folder of clean converted images, one for each page in your PDF. Fast, consistent, and fully under your control.
If you or your team would like to know more, check out more of our tutorials and demos here. And make sure you subscribe and click the link down below for your free trial now.